In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download TikTok on Samsung, even after the ban in USA. So you first go to your device's settings, scroll down and tap on security. It might also be listed under privacy or apps. So look for the option enabled install unknown apps or allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So it should look like this right here. I do not have a Samsung, so I just had to get some screenshots online. Tap on the browsers or file manager app that you'll use to download the APK. So we're going to be using Chrome. So for this, just allow Chrome. So just turn that on, toggle that on. Then once you toggle that on, we can now move on to the next step, which is downloading the VPN. So open up Google Play Store, download a VPN and connect to Canada. So whatever one can connect to Canada, download any of those. Now that you have your VPN enabled, then we can now download the TikTok APK. So open up your mobile browsers like Chrome. So open up Chrome since that's the one we enabled. Then go to a trusted APK website. For this one, we will be using APK Mirror. So go to that website and then search for TikTok and make sure you're downloading the official TikTok app and download the APK file. So make sure it matches with the latest version of TikTok. So for this one, it's gonna be TikTok 8.4.3. So click that one right there. It has two variants and it was January 23rd, so that's the newest update. Then you want to download it, guys. So once you find the newest version, click on it, then scroll all the way down to what's new description and then click on download APK version. So scroll all the way down, go to what's new description and download. So click on download. Then you want to download the APK version, so click on that. Then you want to go all the way down again and click verified safe to install and then download APK. Then you want to skip the harmful download. So it says the file might be harmful, however it is okay, guys, so just click download anyways. Then you want to wait and it takes like around 5 minutes to download depending on your internet. Then you want to double click it when it's done and it'll say, do you want to install this app? And then you just want to click install. Then boom, your app is installed and you can now open TikTok on your Samsung device. Then after this, you can just turn off your VPN.